Imagine a swing that defies gravity, soaring through the cosmos. The moon swing is not just a whimsical idea, it's a blend of science and imagination. Picture this, a massive swing anchored to the lunar surface, allowing us to experience the moon's low gravity. With just a gentle push, you'd feel weightless, gliding through the air, surrounded by the vastness of space. The moon's gravitational pull is about 1/6 of Earth's, so each swing would feel like flying. The view? Breathtaking. Earth would appear as a vibrant blue marble, and the stars would twinkle like never before. This concept isn't just for fun. It sparks ideas about future lunar tourism and space exploration. Who wouldn't want to swing on the moon? It's a reminder of our endless curiosity and the adventures that await us beyond our planet.